Some parents choose C-section or cesarean due to medical necessity. Due to this, there may be uncertainty and worries on the parent's mind, as well as added pressure having to decide C-section date and time. With Chinese metaphysics selections, we can alleviate parents' worry by selecting an auspicious time and date for C-section. The added benefits are increase the likelihood of smooth and calm delivery environment, enhances the energy flow by promoting better health for both the mother and the baby, provide valuable insight into baby's personality, talents, traits, and potential challenges in life, and also enhance health, wealth, and prosperity of the baby. If you are interested to find out more information, feel free to contact me via from the TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube to arrange for the consult. I hope this video has been helpful for you. To follow me for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching.